Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to share with you all my recipe for this Guinness chocolate cookies and cream ice cream. It's so divine, you all will absolutely love it. In a bowl, add condensed milk. Now you can add as much or as little as you like. Evaporated milk, some cinnamon, some almond or vanilla essence, Hershey's chocolate syrup or Nutella, whatever you can find. Mix to combine. One bottle of Guinness, or if you don't want to use Guinness, you can use Malta. Set that aside and let's make the whipping cream or the whipped cream. So to your mixer, add in your whipping cream and beat until it forms stiff peaks. Add your whipped cream a little at a time to the Guinness mixture. I find a whisk works really best for this. You see how creamy that mixture is and smooth. Pour this mixture into a freezer container. Add in some broken Oreo cookies, or you can use your favorite type of cookies. Cover with plastic wrap, and this goes into your freezer until it's frozen. Next, once frozen, we're going to scoop it out. Scoop and enjoy. This recipe is so delightful, really good for this summer. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.